Hello, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is New Money Methods. So you're welcome back again. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and join our community. So let's get started without getting further ado. So I found out this website. It's kind of an app. I don't know if you're aware about it. So I felt like I should make a video and basically show you how it works. And if you like, if you pick some interest, you can join it. So I'll make a video and show you the ups and downs of it. Basically, if you like to join it, then you can make some good money there. So let's get started now. When you head over to Google Play Store, head over to Google Play Store right here. It is here. So on the search, put Frex and hit search. So search results will come, and basically I want you to look for this app right here, this one right here, Frex easily, right? So I will leave the link in the description. If you like, you can use that link. So you can see, as for me, I have it already installed. So you want to go ahead and click open right here. So when you hit open, it will open up this way, and the first thing that you notice right here will say and three you can earn daily profits of 500,000 and registration bonus of 30,000, and you get hourly payments basically. So if you like, you can check through the description right here, and says earn big money here by invest Vestas equipment to receive money every hour, instant withdrawals, blah blah blah. So I'll go ahead and click on the earn button right here. So it should take me to the Vestauganda.com. so Vestaug.com. So this is the registration page. If you like, you can go ahead and register. So by registering, you have to put in the mobile phone number with your code. Actually, then you can create your password in a few digits. You can confirm your password, then you will put the invitation code right here. So I have the invitation code in my video description, and if you use that link, the invitation code will be put directly. So after that, you can click submit. So I'm going to go ahead and click login because I already have an account, and we should proceed from that. Okay, so I log in, and login says successfully. So the first time when you log in, it will bring out this window that you can kind of read through, that basically has all the instructions. So as you can see, it says weekly salary starts from 50k to 200k. So I guess this is a Ugandan website, because everything is listed for UG, right? So I guess it is a Ugandan website. And as you can check, if you have free time, welcome to join Vesta and become an agent of Vesta. So free device, it says free device will be given to agents who perform particularly well. Enjoy continuous income. So basically, then you have the conditions right down here. So you have the conditions of becoming a member of Vesta, and Vesta agent job requirements. So about the WhatsApp groups and the things that you do there. So take some little bit more time and explore the conditions right here. So let's scroll down and continue basically to the earning section. So it says click on free bonus to view cash coupons and comments uploaded by other users updated daily. So you get immediately after registering an account, you have your 3,000 Uganda shillings as a registration bonus. So it's kind of like a welcome gift to you. So, and below here, the different earnings that you can get while you invest in Vesta Uganda. So you can see Vesta wind device investment return 120 days represents the time for continuous income, and you will get income every day. You can withdraw cash every day. So right here, the different earning portfolios. So here you have your minimum initial deposit of 30,000. So every hour you'll be getting 45 Uganda shillings. So daily profit is 1,080 shillings. So that will total to 129,600 after the period of 120 days. So that is the minimum investment, 30,000. So when you invest 80,000, you'll be getting 130 every day. That is 3,000 every day. And the total of 374,000 basically by the end of 120 days. So if you invest, let me see, if you invest 250,000 right here, you'll be getting 480 every day, 10,000, 1,500, and a total of 1,382,400. So that'll be the earnings basically, and so and the earnings continue like that. So we have for 500,000, for 1 million, 2 million. So basically you would invest as much as you want depending on your risk appetite and how much you are willing to earn. So basically in these platforms, invest what you can afford to lose, because when you hit confirm, it will take you directly to the dashboard where you can purchase these packages from. So you can see for 30,000, if you hit on invest right here, it will bring you basically the orders and your earnings in summary. So you'll see you'll be having hourly earnings of 45, daily 1,080, and total earnings at the end of the term will be 129,600. So right now you say the original investment price of this product is 30,000. So you will earn this amount per day for 120 days. So the total income will be 129,600 profits. So profits can be withdrawn directly every day. So note that after investing this money will disappear from your account, this one, and you start receiving daily income of this amount. So if you want to make withdrawals every day, it is up to you. You can go ahead and make withdrawals every day. So if you like, then you can confirm that. So it will bring you to the page where you can do the deposit from and go ahead and make your deposit. So like right here, you will tap on 30,000 right here, and here you put your mobile number where you have the money. So right here you select the mobile payment from here, and then you can click the deposit button right here. So when you hit on the deposit button, it should prompt you and put in the pin, then your money will be sent directly. So you can as well as choose the package. You can as well as scroll down and select the package of your choice that you want to invest for 250, for 150, for 500 Ugandan shillings. So for 2.5, for 5 million, and the list goes on like that. So when you come down right here on fund section right here, when you click fund section, it will pop up this window that basically says the Vest fund business has attracted more and more attention from users. Now Vest has launched short-term funds in response to user requests. So meaning these guys have put shorter investment terms of about 3 days. You can see right here, and you can earn 2.5 for 3 days, I guess. So when you click confirm right here, it should take you to the window. So this is the thing right here. You can see Vesta Wind new user fund. You get duration of 3 days, daily interest 2.5, and the price is 30,000. So how much would you be getting that? Let me get the calculator right here and see. So you're getting, so for 3 days you put your 30,000, times 2.5%. So that means you'll be getting 750 every day times 3 days. That is going to be 750 times 3 days. That is 2,000. That is 2,250 every day. So, and here they said so here they said so here they said after 3 days, the principal and income will be returned to your account together, and you can also enjoy the income on Saturdays and Sunday. So they say funds with a longer period will gain more users and value. So basically here, this section right here is for those people that want to have quick returns, but the more quicker they are, the less the interest that you can get. So you can see then this one is for 100,000. It will give you 3% for 30 days, right? So let's see how much you can make with that. Again, on our calculator, if you invest 100,000, you're getting 3% every day. That is 3,000 Uganda shillings times 30. So that means at the end of 30 days, you'll be having 90 Ugandan shillings as a profit, and both your initial capital and your profits will be back to your account for withdrawal. And the thing goes on like that, like that. So depending on how much you want to invest and the period you want to be in the market, you will decide from this section right here. So let me go back here and and show you. So they also have the affiliate program right here. You'll be seeing the people that you have invited from here, and basically the commission reward and the people that invite from that section. So if you want to get your link, you just come to copy here, and when you click that, your copied link will be put to your clipboard, or you can as well as share your invitational code right there. So let me just show you something that when you come to me right here, you basically get more of the things about your about the platform. Here you can have your wallet, then your devices, your funds, and basically the income. You have your frequently asked questions. You can tap here for your account security right here, and then you can contact the customer service right here. So basically, I wanted to contact the customer service and see how they respond, and good enough, it took them a few minutes to actually see my message and responded. So if you want to do that, you can just tap on WhatsApp service right here, and then you can WhatsApp them and tell them the problem that you have. So why I wanted to tell you about this is a Ugandan platform, but these guys, this number is not Ugandan. You get, this number is not Ugandan. So I don't know why. So okay, again, if you want the WhatsApp group, you can come here and tap in there. So this is the group, and you can basically join that group. Okay, so this is the group. It has so far 86 members, because I guess this is a platform that has just been launched in a while. So let me just go back and show you something again. So you can download the app right here. So here, right, if you come back to homepage right here and scroll down to the last end, you will see something like upload withdraw voucher and get 100 Ugandan shillings bonus. And all these guys that withdraw their vouchers, they actually upload them here and they get 100 Ugandan shillings bonus, right? So some of them get 120, 100, but basically the minimum is 100 bonus. Sorry, not dollar, Ugandan shillings, UGX, right? So this is it, guys. I hope you like the video. Kindly hit the subscribe button and like the video. You can as well as share it with friends, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.